This is my new gaming / office chair, and it might be yours as well. Guys, welcome to the Hardwin82 channel. I'm Adam, and today we're gonna talk about the chairs. Guys, recently I was on the market thinking I need a new chair. First, I was thinking that I'm gonna go again with a gaming chair, because why not? It's comfy, looks great, and I am a little bit of gamer myself. So I went to the few stores. Yeah, those gaming chairs, they look awesome. They have different colors, and just look at that. Looks really fancy. But you know what looks also really fancy? The freaking price. So that was my first crack in my, thinking. Then I thought, gaming chair doesn't have to be gaming chair. I don't know why, but maybe my perception changed. I don't know. Recently I was like more into office chairs, not gaming chairs. Besides, they look freaking great as well. So from that point I was more focused on the office chairs, but they can be expensive as well. Depends from the store. The price might be easily 400, maybe 700 pounds, dollars, Swiss francs. And I was like, I don't fancy paying that. There has to be company that they are making chairs and they mark all my boxes, like they look great, they are very ergonomic, they have all the support I need, and the price is reasonable. And guys, I think I found one. Guys, the chair I've got is from company called Holodual. Sorry, I don't know what's the pronunciation is.
HOLLUDLE.
I have no idea how to pronounce that, but that doesn't matter. The freaking chair is great. It has exactly what I needed, even more. It has adjustable headrest, adjustable lumbar support, adjustable, of course, armrests. You have different tilt positions, and something I like the most is a breathable material. You have this 5D mesh here, and I don't know how about you, but when I was using those gaming chairs, they have this leather-ish material, and after a short time of gaming, it wasn't really pleasant. So I was looking for something different, something more breathable. Of course, your 3 letters can sit nice on this triple layered comfort support, and you have different colors. So I thought, why not? Let's have a go with this. I ordered this. I was waiting maybe 5 days. Shipping is worldwide. The link is in the description. And what is the most important, it is on sale now. And I paid only 159 euros for this beauty. You can just order online, wait less than a week, and the chair will be in your house. Assembling was super easy. Took me maybe 20 minutes. Nothing complicated. You have everything. You just need one Allen key that is provided with all the screws needed. On the page where the link is in the description, you will see at the bottom, you will see the reviews of other users. 4.9 stars average. Amazing. Everybody happy, and I am happy. And one more thing, guys, I don't know if this is important maybe for some of you. I'm not the small guy. I weigh almost 95 kilograms. And I have 184 centimeters high. So guys, make yourself a present. Buy yourself a proper office / gaming chair for yourself, for your missus, maybe your kids. There is a back to school promotion right now. I mean, I don't know if this is back to school, but everywhere I look, they have this promotion. So whatever promotion that is, it's there. Okay guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, consider subscribing and leaving the like comment. That helps the algorithm a lot. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye. What's up guys, welcome to Halloween 82 channel.